I got it in my eye. What do I do? I will be the energy I want to attract. I am releasing all negative emotions from my body. Today and every day, I choose joy. Purr, this is so cute. Because your girl ain't got no lashes, okay? So I gotta have a little something, something. Okay, best friend. Let me do my little intro. Hey guys. Okay. It's so hot. Golly. Let's take this off.
You need a fan.
And I had one because Zola used to have her little fan in her stroller. I've been sweating all day too. It ain't that bad. That was very loud. Okay. Got the little croutons in there. Hey loves, it's your girl cachettachere. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I talk all things faith, fashion, lifestyle, and of course locks. Today I'm going to be putting on lashes. Your girl don't know how to put on lashes, so we doing this. My best friend's on the phone. She's on FaceTime. She's like the queen of lashes, so I was like, best friend, I need help. Okay, I'm going to pick out of 2 lashes that I have. I have like a bunch of lashes that I never use because I don't know how to put them on. And I have applied to be a lash connoisseur unknowingly. So I am excited though because I have some lash glue from a black owned brand, zoesqoq, quality over quantity per. I'm just gonna take it out of here. Oh, this is so cute. Wait, it come with lashes? Did I order lashes? Oh wow, I don't even know. It's got a little baggie. It's cute, cute, cute. Yeah, I definitely ordered lashes. Okay. I like this. Okay, we're gonna read this. Note to self. I will be the energy I want to attract. I am releasing all negative emotions from my body. Today and every day, I choose joy. Purr, this is so cute. All right. You're welcome so much. Okay. So I ordered the Wisp Taker Glue. That's W-I-S-P Taker Glue. It's a brush-on strip eyelash adhesive. And we just gonna see how this works. My best friend swears by it. I think I got the black one. There's the white one or the clear one, and then the black one. I got the black one. I got some what looks to be lip gloss. I don't remember ordering this, but that's so cute. And then I don't know, baby. Why would I order something like this and I already don't know what I'm doing? Look at these. Do you see this?
You didn't order that.
I couldn't have. I bet I did though. So that's comparative to these other lashes that I have that I'm telling y'all I'm not gonna use because they're so dramatic. But these are the ones that are somewhat dramatic and, you know, just a little bit more doable than the ones from Zoe's. So I have the Kiss Lash Couture Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Lash, and it's in the most mink-like style. I have 3D Lash from, is the brand name 3D Lash? And then the type is Sphinx. Natural Cat, I have no idea. Or natural, listen. Oh, this one got instructions too. Oops. Apply a thin layer of adhesive along the band. Wait until the glue is tacky. Okay, see, you telling me to apply Kiss Lash adhesive. So that means this one comes with lash adhesive. Let me see. No, it does not. So y'all telling me to use a product that I don't even have. So we gonna wait on that one. All right. So that was easy. We're gonna use this one. And I purposely did not put nails on because I was like, just in case it might actually be helpful, but in case it's not, I don't want no extra problems. So I already put some liner on because I had liner on today anyway, because I didn't put on like a full face of makeup. So I usually just put like a little bit of liner there because your girl ain't got no lashes, okay? So I gotta have a little something. All right, so, all right, best friend, what do I do? Am I taking this off wrong?
No, go ahead and fill it.
Okay.
Reapply your liner again too. It needs to be darker.
Oh, golly. She said to like bend it a little bit so that it fits along the lash line more naturally.
Do you have lash curlers?
No. I feel like I do though. I don't know. I would have to find them because I don't ever use them. So I'm just gonna measure. Do I start right here or from the back?
Don't start all the way in the corner of your eye. That is most important. You don't want it touching where it would poke you in the eye.
Hold on. Let me see if I got a little piece of hair right there. Oh, my hair go all the way. Oh, I see. I see where it started. I'm pretty sure it stopped here. I'm gonna cut like maybe right here, because she also said on the video like make sure you don't cut too much in the beginning, because you can, I mean it's obvious, but you can cut more but you can't add more. Basically
it's a little extra strip with no lash on it. Cut that off in the inner corner of the lash.
Oh, ooh, yeah, girl, you, ooh.
It also can poke you.
Okay, so my best friend said this little thing right here that's hanging out from the inner corner, cut that off too, because that can also poke you. And like the fact that she's saying this and is not here and can barely see this doggone thing is really telling. She is the really lash queen, okay? At least in my book, because I don't know what I'm doing. We got those cut, so we're gonna do the same thing to the other lash. And let me open this. So this Wisp taker glue is gonna be applied after I cut the other one. So yes, it is the black one. I'm excited. Okay. Try to take it off with tweezers. Listen,
sometimes the tweezers pull it apart though.
yeah, and she said you got to be careful. I'm just gonna lift it with my finger. I'm gonna line that up.
Just like you would do black eyeliner, get it as close to your waterline where you can't see any skin under it as possible.
Okay, I'm applying this to my waterline, or my like actual lash line on my face. Y'all pray for me. I mean, I know it's after the fact now.
I look crazy. I look like SpongeBob with the suds.
You good. Oh yeah, that's definitely working. I feel the tackiness. I have the lash glue on my lash line. It's also drying on my lashes. All of us are waiting. The two lashes and I and yeah, my best friend and you guys. So everybody's waiting. So I'm probably gonna put these on after. And then I'm planning to go get a pedicure real quick before I go get Zoe, because I think it's been 20 seconds.
Let's do it.
Okay, now what? When she placed it down, she like took her...
Pinch it together.
Yeah. Is it on there? Not staying.
Make sure it's touching the glue.
Okay. I think I need to cut it some more. I clearly have glue down there, but like the rest of the lash just don't seem like it want to take, and my eyeball is seemingly not that big anyway, so. Screaming. I got it in my eye. What do I do?
I do this.
Oh, okay. That's smart. So basically like liner.
Yes, literally. That's what I said 3 times.
I know, but like it's glue, so I just keep thinking about the fact that it's glue. Okay. I gotta redo that. Okay, best friend is still on the phone. I'm about to end this video. As you all can see, I have now applied a little bit more of my eyeliner to the waterline of my eyeball. Look out for more of, no, I'm just kidding. I'm not doing this again, not on video. But maybe if I get really good, then I'll be back. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are not subscribed, like, what are you doing? Go ahead. I'm gonna wait. Okay, cool. And yeah, so I'm gonna get really close so you guys can see. I'm gonna look up, I'm gonna look down, I'm gonna look to the right, and I'm gonna look to the left. And I think overall, that's all I got. Thank you for watching. Hey loves, it's your girl cachettachere back with another. No, this is not my podcast.